Hello and welcome to today's trade recap. I think the microphone should work. Let me just raise a little bit. Okay, should work now. Today's trade recap. I just recorded yesterday trade recap. As you can see here, I just published. I'm gonna publish this new one now. Not that big of a P&L. actually, both on these days I took like 400, 500 wins on the 50k, but as I already said in the last video, I'm not considering the account that much. So I just focus on the 25ks. I'm gonna add a new one. I maybe should also enter today, but I activated actually 1 hour ago, so it will be for tomorrow or for the next week. With that, we're gonna add another account. The goal, I have it here on the wall. It's 25k's account, even though we have the 50k, but yeah, well, I'll hope them to bring them all to the payout level and take a lots of nice payouts with them. So yes, let me show here. So don't mind this execution right here, and also this one's here. It's just misclicked here, and also here when I took TP, I don't know, it got me in an order, and yeah, I just closed it immediately. But nothing changed at the end. Let me walk through. I was actually I arrived home at like 10:15, 10:20. I was doing actually my internship, so I was not there, and I couldn't catch this. As again, Asia, London, this place higher we created. New day opening up. So first minutes, we are bearish. Actually here we did nice inversion, and you could have aimed for the midpoint fill. Okay, so you close below here, you close below here. Yeah, I was actually not this trade, because this candle here, the 1036 candle, closed below, and it was too much of a displacement to go, and it was not worth it. So yeah, the thing that was worth it, we go low, we take London lows, and then we create here the first percentage gap, and then here we close above. I was actually in the car while Scruffy was watching, and yeah, of course it's a nice displacement, but when we are this strong and we have the target higher here, you could aim for that. Like, you can market enter as soon as the candle close. Maybe goes back here, but at the end just enter, and you have better chance to win. So yeah, that was the entry. I was in the car, so I couldn't take it. The first TP should have been here. Then actually crazy how BE got perfectly tapped here, and then the second TP would have been here to London highs. Unfortunately, again, I wasn't there. I arrived. I see that here we take London high, and then NQ was definitely weaker than ES, because when I was there, ES, the trade I wanted to enter when ES was this one, okay, 6 points, was very, very good. ES was way stronger. We reacted from the first presented, and also this order block here. See how perfect, boom, tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times reacting for the first presented gap, inversing it, and then order block here. This was a nice trade. But I don't love taking trades on ES because it's weird sizing. I'm not used to it that much. The light is too bright. This trade was nice, but we took London highs on NQ. NQ was definitely weaker. Look at this BPR. So BPR, balance price range, is basically two fair value gaps staring at each other. Okay, NQ was way weaker because we filled the new day opening gap, while on ES we barely did. I didn't mark it out, but trust me, we barely did touch the new day opening gap. Okay, so this shows that ES was very strong. Okay, and going back to NQ, I see that we take London highs. NQ was weaker. You can see on trade of 8, you just put the two charts next to each other. You see also how the candle behaves. The candle behavior was way different, and NQ was way weaker. We had also SMT, bearish SMT with NQ all the way through. And yeah, 1 minute BPR after taking London highs, NQ was weaker. What do you want more? So I just basically enter the retap here. 5, 9, yeah, kind of there. Took a little bit late. Should have been here. Okay, stop here above the high. And then you could, I wanted to target 0.5 of the range, which was here of the New York range from down here to up here. That was very ambitious, I must say. We never got there. No, damn, how it is placing higher. Yeah, this was actually, I say jokingly that this could be a target for longs after this one here. And then actually we went, so I'm very happy with that. But considering the trade I did, in the moment I was more bearish. And yeah, this was a 5-minute order block, okay? And also these lows here that reacted from this gap. You see how price again came back here, respected the midpoint of this 1 minute gap, and boom, this place. So after this placement, I took 3, I took 2 here, and then I took 1 here. So yeah, I aim for this partial here, and then maybe like lower here to 0.5. But I think I should have taken all of them here, because this minute was very strong. Very important. See also here, close below, but then boom, go up higher. So yeah, it wasn't that. I don't have to say much. It was very clear. BPR and NQ was bias was weaker, and my bias was weaker. So at the end, though, the higher time frame bias was long, but NQ was, I cannot explain you more. That was so weak during the session, so I could have just taken shorts on NQ before this long here. But again, I said I was in the car. And so yeah, that's basically it. Nothing more, nothing fancy, nothing special. We are pushing higher these days. Me, myself, and almost everyone didn't expect that. But again, when you expect something, the markets have a funny way to humble you and to say, no, you're not right. So at the end, we're not having like super great moves. This trade could also be kind of a BPR after taking the highs, but it's not, you get it, it's not as good as this BPR. You see how it comes back a little bit, then boom, closes way below. This BPR was fantastic actually. It didn't deliver how we wanted, but still made a little bit of profit. Better than nothing, better than a loss. It counts as a positive trading day, and yeah, we are very near to a payout. I can show you here the Notion. Been having quite few other losses, and of course this, when I count a payout, it counted as a loss, so it technically should have been like 74%. Now we added a new one, so we are at 27,371, which I take payouts from 26,600. So what's more than 26,600? I can take 500 more and arrive to 26,100, but I don't want to do that. So I just take what's more than 26,600. For the 30% rule, I had to make a little bit more money. So my goal was to arrive kind of to 28 and taking 1.4 each account, which is actually crazy, which is actually a lot. So it's like 3. Oh my god, 1.4, 2.8, 4.2. Like it's actually crazy to think that 4.2 then in euros is a little bit less, but this will still be crazy. This right now, like if I took the money I took a payout now, it would have been 707 plus 771 plus 708 So there've been 2.2k payout. So in euros at the end it would be in a 2k payout, which is nice. It's the payout that I've been taking for the past months. So I would be very happy to still keep this 2k per month trading. My goal was 1 year ago, now almost double, and I think we are on pace to make maybe, why the light is so bright, we are on pace to make those 3k or more. If we will add also this Apex account, will be like, my goal was to do 5 accounts, take 500 each month. That would be 2.5k across 5 accounts. But we can manage to do way more just with 3, and we'll still need to add those 2. So I'm both excited and also a bit scared for the future. But I know I'm gonna scale slowly. I don't want to rush it. I don't want to rush it too much and pay 5 activation at once. I could, but like the budget needs to be way higher to do that. I could do it, but like I don't feel now comfortable to do it. I'm very happy with the situation. I saw that we are on 11 minutes, which is a lot. So yeah, I hope I'm being super transparent. Like I show the P&L, I show the screenshot. Like I'm super transparent, and I hope that I try to be as transparent as possible, because I wanted, when I started, I wish that someone was. I had very transparent people, but like I wish that someone was this transparent and this open to help you, to go with you, and to also be your friend. So if you want all of that, join the Discord. We are creating a small but good family. And yeah, maybe in the future we are programming vacation to see each other all over the world. It will be a very fun story. I'm very proud of what we're building, and it's just the start. It's just the start. So yeah, I'll smile maybe in a few years when I watch this video. And yeah, it's already too long. Don't want to bother you too much. I'll see you in the next year recap. Peace.